In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add neon text effect in Canva. First, open your web browser and search for Canva. When the results load, click the official Canva website. It should clearly show the canva.com domain. If you see ads or misspellings, skip those and choose the correct link to avoid landing on the wrong page. Once you're on the home page, log in to your account. Any plan works for this effect. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to your dashboard. Open your design. You can work on any project where you want glowing type, social posts, thumbnails, or posters. If you're continuing an existing file, just click it from your recent designs. Inside your design, select the text box you want to transform. Make sure the text itself is highlighted so Canva shows the text editing toolbar across the top. In that top toolbar, click Effects. A panel will open along the left side with different text styles. From the Style section, choose the neon tile. Instantly, your text will gain a glow that mimics real neon lighting. Now let's fine-tune the glow so it looks just right. Use the intensity control in the neon settings. Lower intensity gives you a subtle, soft halo that's great for a cleaner design, or when you need the glow to support, not dominate, your layout. It helps keep thin fonts readable while still adding a hint of light. Higher intensity makes the glow brighter and pushes the color farther outside the letter forms. This creates that bold, sign-like effect you see in cityscapes and retro designs. It works especially well with thicker, sans-serif fonts and short headlines. But be mindful that very high settings can reduce legibility on small text. Next, choose a color that sells the neon illusion. Click the text color icon, the A in the top toolbar, and pick a bright, saturated hue. Pinks, cyans, and lime greens look authentically electric. If you're working over a dark background, these colors will pop dramatically. On a lighter background, try deepening the text color or slightly increasing intensity to maintain contrast without washing out the glow. After adjusting color and intensity, take a moment to view the whole design at a typical size. If the text overwhelms other elements, nudge the intensity down or switch to a slightly darker shade of the same color. That's it. You've applied a clean neon text effect in Canva, tuned the glow, and picked colors that shine. You're ready to share.